ओम विश्वानि देव सवितर्दुरितानि परासुव यद्भद्रं तन्नयासुव. Respected Pandita Arti Sanand, the present President of Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, South Africa, respected Dr. Vishram Ramvilas ji, Emirate President, Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, South Africa, respected Swami Vedanand ji, the spiritual head of Arya Samaj in South Africa, प्रिय brother Prabodh Vedalankar ji, representative of the bereaved family, all Panditas and Pandits, and all the members of Arya Samaj in South Africa. Today, all of us and the whole Arya Samaj family in India and other countries are deeply heartened after the sad demise of former head of Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, South Africa, Professor Usha Desai. Professor Desai was not only the head of the Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, but also a noted scholar and influential leader of the Arya Samaj in South Africa. She was the daughter of the famous Vedic scholar Pandit Nardev Vedalankar ji, who was a veteran stalwart and a person whose name comes in the list of those people who founded Arya Samaj in South Africa and propagated the principles of Arya Samaj in the country. Like South Africa, Professor Usha Desai also handled the legacy of her Reverend Father Pandit Nardev Vedalankar ji with great loyalty and perseverance and led the Arya Samaj in South Africa for years. Professor Usha ji became the first woman to lead in Arya Pratinidhi Sabha in South Africa as president for years due to her ability, hard work and skill. During her tenure, while she was the head of the Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, South Africa, I also had the opportunity to visit South Africa every year continuously for 3 years with my dedicated associate and friend Brahmachari Dikshendra ji, and I had the privilege to promote and propagate Arya Samaj in that country. There, she had a special affinity towards me, and Brahmachari Dikshendra ji, which impressed us a lot. The sudden departure of such a sister and leader from among us is an imperishable loss and profound shock to the Arya Samaj organization. But in front of the law of God, we all have no choice but to bow down. On behalf of the Sarvadeshik Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, World Council of Arya Samaj, and the entire Arya Samaj members, I pay my humble tribute and deep sorrow at the death of Professor Usha Desai. I pray to the Supreme God to grant peace and salvation to her soul and give the strength to bear this unbearable suffering to the bereaved family and all Aryans. इस अवसर पर मैं आदरणीय भाई प्रबोध वेदालंकार जी से विशेष आग्रह करना चाहता हूँ कि आप और स्वर्गीय बहन उषा देसाई उस महान पिता की संतान हैं। आपका परिवार ऐसे एक महान विद्वान और नेता का परिवार है जिनका अपना एक इतिहास है। दक्षिण अफ्रीका में पंडित नरदेव जी उन नेताओं में से एक हैं जिनके प्रयासों से आर्य समाज न केवल बना बल्कि आर्य समाज को उन्होंने अपने जीवन से प्रचारित प्रसारित कर पूरे जीवन भर उसको सींचा, उसको आगे बढ़ाया। आज हम सब लोग स्वर्गीय बहन उषा जी की इस स्मृति में एक प्रकार से उनके जीवन से ये प्रेरणा लें कि जैसे उन्होंने अपने पूज्य पिताजी के दायित्वों को, उनकी विरासत को बहुत योग्यता से और कर्मठता से संभाला था, उसी प्रकार से हमारा पूरा परिवार आगे भी महर्षि दयानंद की विचारधारा को आगे बढ़ाने में कृत संकल्प रहे। मैं आपके माध्यम से पूरे परिवार के प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करते हुए परमपिता परमात्मा से प्रार्थना करता हूँ, प्रभु सभी शोक संतप्त परिवारजनों और आर्यजनों को ऐसी शक्ति दो कि इस दुख को हम सब लोग सहन कर सकें। प्रबोध जी, इस अवसर पर पूरा आर्य जगत, मैं ब्रह्मचारी दीक्षेंद्र जी और हमारे सभी साथी आपके साथ हैं। आप सभी को सादर नमस्ते।